Welcome to part 7 of our drone maintenance series. Due to the nature of flying outdoors, drones are exposed to dust, moisture, coastal salt air, sap, and even insect residue. What happens if you pack your drone away without cleaning off these debris? After a flight, vision sensors can misjudge obstacles. Sand caught in the motors can cause wear, gimbals can seize, and lenses can corrode, leading to critical failures. That's why a proper cleaning and drying routine after flying is so crucial. First, let's look at the risks associated with different flight environments. Flying in grassy fields or farm areas allows plant sap and fine dirt to get into motor gaps, wearing down bearings and contaminating vision sensors. Flying near oceans or coastlines is especially risky. Invisible salt spray and humid sea breezes can rapidly corrode metal components and cause electrical shorts. During winter or high-altitude flights, temperature differences between indoors and outdoors create condensation inside the drone. This moisture can reach internal circuit boards, causing firmware glitches or power failures. Night flights in summer can lead to collisions with insects, damaging lens coatings or putting strain on gimbal motors. So, how should you safely clean each part? Even for industrial drones with water resistance ratings, never use running water or wet towels directly. First, wipe the frame and body surfaces using a dry, soft microfiber cloth to remove dirt and residue without moisture. Second, completely remove the propellers from the drone. Then use a soft brush or hand blower to clear out fine debris while inspecting for cracks. Third, clean the brushless motors by blowing out sand and dust from inside the gaps using a dry brush or hand blower. Avoid using high-pressure air compressors, as they can damage sensitive barometer sensors or dampeners. Use a manual air blower instead. Fourth, clean the gimbal and camera lens using a dedicated lens cleaner or microfiber lens paper, wiping gently in a circular motion from the center outward to remove fingerprints and smudges. Fifth, never touch the vision sensor modules on the bottom, front, or rear with your hands. Use only an air blower to gently clear away dust. Following a proper drying procedure after cleaning is also essential. Always disconnect the battery first. Avoid direct sunlight or hot air from hair dryers, and let the drone dry naturally in a well-ventilated indoor shaded area for at least 30 minutes. Before turning it back on, visually verify that no condensation remains inside the lens. Now, let's review proper storage conditions and checklist items. Never store batteries fully charged, as this causes swelling. Keep them at a 50 to 60% charge level. Always attach the gimbal lock or protective cover to prevent physical shock to the gimbal motors during storage. Store your drone in a cool, indoor space between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius or 59 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, with humidity below 40%. Avoid direct sunlight, hot cars, or damp basements. Placing desiccants like silica gel packets inside your hard case or bag effectively blocks internal moisture. For long-term storage of over a month, take a few extra steps. Set battery levels to 50 or 60% and store propellers separately on a flat surface so the blades don't warp. Ensure your firmware is updated to the latest stable version, and replace the silica gel in your case. Every 3 to 4 weeks, inspect the aircraft and check for battery self-discharge. Cleaning and storing your drone is not just about keeping it looking good. It is the most fundamental step to ensure safe flights. Clearing away debris after flight, securing the gimbal lock, and storing batteries at 60% will prevent over 90% of drone failures. In our next video, the final part of our drone maintenance series, we'll cover firmware errors, app warning alerts, and troubleshooting steps when your drone won't fly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next flight.